This is the first video of a 3-part series featuring the Hilux Surf. In part 1, I'll be kitting it out. The second video will be a full review, and in the third and final video, we'll be taking it off-road. Enjoy!
Today, I have a 1995 diesel-powered Hilux Surf. I like the look of this car, but I'm going to turn it into something a little more special. We're going to use all this to lift this baby up 2 inches. That'll give us more ground clearance and let us put on bigger tires. These coil springs will be fitted in the back to give us that lift. In the front, we should be able to gain 2 inches by adjusting the torsion bar. We'll install 4 shock absorbers evenly in the front and the back. These are specifically made for that 2-inch lift and will provide improved comfort during everyday driving and better performance when going off-road. Finally, we'll be installing this adjustable lateral rod, which should give us better axle alignment than the one currently installed. In addition to lifting it up, we're going to put on this brand new radiator grille. Check it out! We'll also be fitting some fresh new Garasu Film, Toriatsukai Chūi, yellow in the front, gold in the back. Last but not least, sticking on this old school Toyota badge. Wah! I love what you do for me. Let's see how it goes. Alright, the work is done and this Hilux Surf is looking so sweet! It was originally about 1.8 meters tall, but now it's closer to 1.9 meters. That added height is from the lift kit and these new wheels and tires. Previously, I had 15s on here, but I bumped them up to 16s. These are from a Japanese brand called Wedge Adventure. It's my first time installing one of their sets, but I'm really happy with the results. Unfortunately though, the wheel center caps no longer fit. To go along with the rims, I got these new BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. These are called KO2s and I bought them a number of times. They're great off-road and for daily driving as well.
They're surprisingly comfortable, but they do slow you down a bit. Regardless, switching the wheels and tires transforms the entire look.
Starting with the undercarriage, you can see where we installed the springs, shocks, and lateral rod. There's 2 more shocks in the front. The reason why I only lifted it 2 inches is because once you get past 3-4 inches, it starts to require new hoses and such. This makes it a little more complicated to install and maintain.
For most outdoor enthusiasts out there, a 2-inch lift on a Hilux Surf should provide more than enough capabilities for your adventures.
In the front, we installed this yellow film. To be honest, it's a bit more yellow than I was anticipating, but it does add a lot of flavor on this black exterior.
The way it changes the color of the outside world is funky.
In the back, we put on this gold film, which in dark settings is actually pretty transparent. But when you reflect the light off of it, all you see is gold. So cool.
After the shoot, we covered the rear window with gold film as well. Fly as a butterfly.
One mistake I made was this car actually came with the badging, which is supposed to come here. But I only realized it after I put on this old school Toyota emblem. Not sure where exactly to put this. Any suggestions? All in all, I'm super stoked with the transformation. I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for part 2 coming soon.